In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Systeme IO Builder. Let's get started by opening your funnel page in Systeme.io. From your funnels dashboard, choose the page you want to edit and click Edit Page. This brings you into the Visual Builder where you can see your layout and make changes in real time. Give the page a second to load so the editor fully initializes. That helps avoid small glitches when dragging elements. On the left panel, you'll find all the elements you can add. Scroll until you see the button element. If you don't spot it right away, use the search bar at the top of the panel and type button. Once you've located it, you're ready to place it on your page. Click and drag the button element from the left panel into your page layout. Drop it exactly where you want it to appear. You'll see highlighted zones that indicate valid drop areas, so aim for those to keep your layout neat. If the button looks a little out of place, don't worry. You can move it again by dragging it to a different section or column. Now click directly on the button to open its settings. Start with the text. Keep it clear and action-oriented, like Get Started, Download Now, or Add to Cart. Short, specific phrases usually convert better than vague labels. If your page has multiple buttons, consider using slightly different wording for primary and secondary actions, so visitors know which one stands out. Next, adjust the color and size. Choose a color that contrasts with your background while staying consistent with your brand. If your page is light, a bold, darker color often works well. On darker backgrounds, go brighter or lighter. Increase or decrease the size to match your layout, and add enough padding so the button feels clickable, not cramped. Many builders also let you round the corners or tweak the border. Subtle changes can improve visual appeal without distracting from your message. Then set the action for the button. You can send users to the next step in your funnel, open a link, or submit a form. Pick the option that matches your goal. For multi-step funnels, next step keeps visitors moving forward smoothly. If you're directing to a specific page or resource, paste the link and choose whether it opens in the same tab or a new one. For lead capture, connect it to submit the form so the visitor's details are captured when they click. When you're happy with everything, click Save Changes. That's it, your button is live and ready to guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go.